Our topic is helpful math on Codeforces. So, uh, in this topic, it contain with the mathematician and third year student and Genia. And Genia, the teacher has got some problems on Genia at Genia that he can contain with three types of number like 1 to 3 just enough, not more than numbers can be taken, so it must be adding this number, but there has a condition: the number must be add in a sorted way, or this number must be in a non-decreasing order. So we can see that in our input, the input string must be a non-empty, so there has no space in this string, and there has a special character like plus, and number must be in 1 to 3, not more than. And we can take the character 100 characters so long. Now the output we must show the how much Genia can be count this number. So input can be random 3 to 1, but we must be show that a sorted way 1 to 3, and then we must be show this another way 1 1 1 and plus 3 3, that must be a sorted way. So in this section, we can say that at, firstly we take a string, and then we must split this each character, and after splitting we can remove all the special sign, and as we can fetch out the only numbers. And when we uh, catch out the only numbers, then we can, and using different type of sorted algorithm like insertion sort, selection sort, bubble sort, merge sort, as you wish. So we can split this number, and then we can join these all numbers. Now we can show this on our code in C program. So firstly we take the input character away, as the string must be 100 upper than 100, so we can take it in 101. Now we take the input using the scanf function, as we all know that. On this code there has some error, like scanf must be contained with a ampersand sign on the str, so it is a error, so we must be solve this afterwards. Now we take a loop. If this loop continue, continue until it will be a true on this string. So if the string contain with the plus sign, and then we must be split this section, and we must store the digit number, or the number into the digit array. So we take another variable like k, where we take all input put in our digit array like 1 to 3. It may contain with the digit is stored into the digit array, and it will continue the process once. So here digit array must contain with only number, there has no special character, so we can easily used our we can be easily used our sorted algorithm. We Here I use the Babo sort algorithm. The sorted algorithm can be continue this process as k times, k minus 1 times, as it is a bubble sort. Bubble sort must be check full process and store, or store the highest value on the last position, as we know that. So we must use these bubble sort rules. Then we must take uh, our sorted numbers. The first digit is lesser than, greater than, on second digit or not. Just totally a Babo sort algorithm. So we must take a temporary variable, and temporary variable is used for swap the number like a 3 to 1. So 3 will be swapped onto the 2, and when 3 will be in the second position, then 3 will be swapped onto the 1, and then it will be after swapping it will be we will find our actual number like 1 to 3. After as we have been completed our sorted algorithm, then we must now add the plus sign and print this order, print this sequence of order. Now I must take a loop, only one loop, to print the number of sequence number, print the sequence number with a special sign like plus sign. So now firstly we print our initially starting number. So I take a printf to print the initial, which is the digit number. Now we will print this number, and now we must check that I must be a k minus 1. I'm less than b. There has a condition that it will be happen because if we did not check this condition, the plus sign must be in our last position. So we must check this position that we can take. We cannot use our last position any plus sign. So there are some errors. I must solve it that k is used and ampersand not used. So now we take copy this sequence. Oh my god, there has no output. What are the issues? So I have already been said that there has a not ampersand in our STS, so we must use this. Okay, now find it. Where is the error? Okay. Oh, Bradley Ford. She can't find it easily. I think it is a time she might find it. Oh, yes, it has been found. Now the output will be shown in our code. Oh, four. The output has not been shown yet. Now tell why. Because there has no I implemented there implemented with the I k number. Now we'll show that. Oh, yes, it has been done. So it is time to submit our code on our Codeforces. So now we check each on input from the Codeforces. Now we submit. It is all running testing position, and now it has been accepted. Thank you.